Hello, my people. Today, today is a very good day, and today is this kind of secret. Hey, if yesterday, you people, I told you that this week I'll be opening your eyes small, small. Hey, you got okay. This week is a secret made open. Nobody wants you to know because they know that you're African, you don't normally read, you don't know your diplomatic rights, you don't know this. But in this channel, this Womiba Finance channel will be telling you every secret hidden about relocation, about your right as a British colony. I will be telling you here. Okay. In 1670, British people took over Jamaica and Cayman's land. Hey, yesterday I told you about Botswana. I'm coming today. So they took over these two territories. So when they took over this territory, they put on their military, whatever warfares, and took over the authority of the land. And what happens then and now will give you access to British citizenship within 5 years in another man's land, and that will tell you. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, you have to subscribe because this is where we put in the secret. So, if you are interested in you want to know how to become a British citizen without going to Britain to waste your time and your years, become a slave to them, doing care job and all that, or security. If you want to know how to become a British without living in Britain, this is where it gets interesting. I will be opening your eyes. So stay with me. Take your chilled Coke. I'm not advertising any drink. Take your chilled drink or water. Water preferable because we are doing health. So take a chilled water and sit down. I will tell you how you become a British citizen without having to deal with British embassies. I will tell you here. So stop paying that fees you're paying. That's a way. So I'll be right back. Hello, this is a quick video. I have told you that British people took over this two islands, and later they released Jamaica to the people of Jamaica. Then that's a land that they are still, they are still governing, or will I say behind the back, that kind of system. So this island is a wonderful place, small in population, everything, but it's cheap. You know what I mean? Cheap. It's cheaper than African countries, but it's a British territory. Did you hear me? It's a British territory. So, yesterday I told you about Botswana. Just hanging there. So now, if you've gotten Botswana citizenship and you want to become a British citizen without going to Britain to live, or you don't want to deal with even Botswana, you don't even want to deal with anything, but you want to deal with one country, carry your bag, move to Cayman's land. After 5 years, after 2 years study, then you are entitled to permanent residence. Then through there, you get your British citizenship. Now me, they tell you, quote me. Yes, the place is called Cayman's land, and it's a Caribbean land, but it's still part of Britain. If you understand what I mean by territories, what they did in 1670s and all that. So now you will ask me, how are you going to start this journey? How are you going to start? I don't want you to go and pay £15,000 to do a course. Then come and pay 1,000 something for your dependent on or your distance. With 1,000 pounds, there's courses you can do in this country. No, $1,000, even $500. There are courses you can do in this country. And after that, you get your visa. And you get your citizenship. And after that, if you become a Cayman city, a Caymanian, or what, I don't know, see it in the screen. If you become a Caymanian Islander or whatever, you are entitled to go to Canada. You're entitled to go to US. You're entitled to go to UK because you're already a British citizen. You are what they call BOTAC in passport. Anywhere you go, if you come to Nigeria now, if anything happens to you, British consulate will take over your problem. You see, I told you guys, in this channel, I'll be opening your eyes because there are things you people don't know. Then, if you're Botswanese, if you're Uganda, I told you yesterday that Uganda, Kenya, Ghana, Morocco, Seychelles, they call it, Mauritius, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Zambia, these countries still have good diplomatic distance. So most of this country, it's easy for them to get Cayman citizenship and get British citizenship. I told you before, there are countries, it's not Nigeria, it's not Cameroon. I don't know what's happening to our passports and our diplomatic ties. I don't know. Ask our government what is happening to us. So, now, if you're a Nigerian, if you're a Ghanaian, if you are a Morocco, if you are this, you don't have money, go to Botswana. I told you yesterday, 12 months, you get citizenship. You carry your bag, go to Cayman's land, stay there and do business for 2 years. You get your citizenship. Once you get Cayman citizenship, you can come to UK. They will give you British passport, but they will give you a passport there. So that passport, anywhere you go, you will be entitled to go to 190 countries. Singapore is number 1, and it's 193 countries or 192 countries. But with this passport now, you are entitled to go to 190 countries. I have opened your eyes. So now, I will leave every link in this screen. Then you have to go and do your homework. Is it that you want to carry your bag and start going to Botswana so that Botswana will open your door? Because with Botswana citizenship, you are entitled to go to Jamaica, Cayman's land, all the places, even Foxland, close to Argentina. Everywhere they say that is British, Djibouti, whatever. Everywhere they say that it's a British territory. They call it a British territory. Anywhere you hear that, a Botswanian or Botswana, what are they calling it? Botswanian, a Botswani, has right to that place without any visa. So when I tell you that Botswana, I told you yesterday that Botswana is a powerful country in Africa. And I will tell you, I don't want to tell you the secret because it has to do with security. British people have something in Botswana they are protecting. So that's the truth. So I don't want to start telling you. So that's why Botswana is a small country. I think they are not even more than 5 million or something. So they are a small country, but British people have something they are protecting in that land. So they will do everything to protect it. They will absorb the land no matter what. So that's the secret. Russia is dealing with South Africa. So British, has this thing in Botswana. People in military will understand. Then other people, China have something in Malawi and, this country. So this, there's a way they do it. I don't know, because this channel is not about security, so I will not go into that. So that's why Botswana is precious to British people. So when you see a Botswanian or Botswana, the passport is so powerful. The way South African passport is powerful to Russian is the way Malawi passport is powerful in China. So you use your sense and make whatever you want to make out of it. And I will tell you about Uganda. Why Uganda is powerful. Uganda is powerful because of the Israel ties. These are the secret machines where they have the secret machines to Yokopu everywhere. So that's why Botswana is so precious to British people. So now go and do your homework. I have finished. So go and do your homework. If you have any problem, you know where to come to. But this is our tradition. Subscribe now. What are you waiting for? And share with everybody in your social media platform. And again, I would like to ask you, please, can you share in your wall, in your social media platform wall? I will go around because now I'll be trying to know who is my tribe. If I come to your social media, if you share my YouTube, if I come down and sit, it will make me happy. I'll write your name somewhere. There's a place I write people that are supporting this channel. I'll write your name somewhere because one day you ask me something, I will remember this person is good to this channel. So subscribe. Tell your family and friends about this channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye from me.